AI isn't just analyzing and predicting, it's actually intervening, right? We talked about diagnosis, we talked about prevention, but what actually AI could intervene and help out, and that's what this next breakthrough is about. In China, massive investment is driving next gen brain computer interfaces, or BCIs. These are devices that connect the brain directly to machines, sometimes even without invasive surgery. One project is called StairMed, helped a man with no limbs play video games using only his thoughts. No joystick, no controller, just brain signals. Another breakthrough device called NEO uses AI powered pneumatic gloves to help paralyzed patients regain hand function. In clinical trials, 20 patients showed significant improvement. And then there is NeuroAccess, which recently pulled off a world first, decoding Mandarin speech in real time at 50 words per minute straight from a brain implant. Decoding Mandarin speech in real time at 50 words per minute. Think about that. Being able to talk again, not through your voice, but through your thoughts. We're not talking about future tech that's going to be there some other time. The tech is here and now. So this is an area where this particular breakthrough is all about intervening, and especially these brain computer interfaces, or BCIs.